Hi there guys! So mag-review tayo sa Puma Deviate Nitro 4 for red colorway. And meron siyang silver lining. Ayan. So na-test ko na po to during my 5km and color race na 6km din. And na-test ko na din siya for 10km sa katapos lang ng 21km by Puma Half Marathon Series. So this is my third 21km and also my second at Puma. So, last year sa 5km lang ako. And also this year medyo challenging kasi heavy rain siya, pero yung nagustuhan ko dito sa Puma, this is my first tempo run. Consider this one of my PR shoes kasi yung old record ko for 5 kilometers and also 10 kilometers. So, hindi ako naka-end up na injury or cramping. For these shoes, kahit mabasa, grabe yung performance nito when my daily comfort sa days. Number one, yung colorway niya, very attractive siya. May 4-foot striker or mid-foot guys. So, very comfortable siya sa akin. Mesh niya dito, very breathable. Hindi siya nag-overheat sa paa ko. 42 ako guys, size 8.5. Sobrang gaan ito, despite na meron siyang bar plate. Hindi mo ma-feel yung carbon feel na side effects, pero mas aggressive siya sa akin for my part. Being aggressive ako for my runs, and also napupush forward ako na to strive for a faster pace and to catch up sa mga pacers. Or it's an oversized super trainer shoes at medyo malaki din talaga yung yung feet ko, kaya suitable talaga siya sa akin. At the same time, very agile yung ride niya. Very excellent yung outsole grip nito at durability. And also, for its 4-foot, it feels lively and fun. Especially during race or kahit nag-chill ka, jog lang, or your daily routines. It adds up snappy feel dito. More of the comfortability, stability, and also for its tempo qualities aspects for this shoe. It's a reasonable price. The ride feels connected and feels not oversized. So, very fashionable din to. Eye-catcher talaga siya when it comes sa color. It's more lighter than V3. This is one of my best tempo shoes right now. Best PR shoes today. So, thank you so much Puma. And kasi lang guys, mga different colorways na available. Pero, itong red talaga, yung na-attract talaga sa future runs, 16, 32, or maybe soon sa full marathon, use this. A standard shoe or may tempo run. Kaya lang po for Puma Deviate Nitro 4 for its red colorway. So, kita-kits guys sa race here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!